How you doing today? So I wanted to do a quick video about building your business credit. Many times business owners come to us and are looking for advice on borrowing or trying to understand the different options that are out there. And many times what business owners tend to forget is that borrowing and getting credit for your business is very similar to what it's like getting in your personal life. We all are taught, growing up that if you want to finance a vehicle or get some type of, financing, credit card, something in your personal name, prior to doing that, you would first need to establish your personal credit. So maybe you get a cell phone, maybe you get like a secured credit card, or you do something to start to build up credit and really, trustworthiness with the credit bureaus, so that in the future, if you are reviewed or underwritten for some type of financing, they have something to go off of to know, hey, is this person, responsible? Is this person going to pay us back? So I always tell business owners, your business is no different than your personal life, okay? You want to first establish a foundation for your business before you start to borrow on your business. Now, if you're lucky enough to be post-revenue and you're generating income coming into the business, yes, there are programs that do not require you to have business credit, and they can lend solely off of that revenue that you are generating. But if you're out there and you're looking to get funding or some type of financing in your business and you are pre-revenue, the first thing and the best thing that you could do for yourself is establish some type of business credit. Now, my company, we have a training software and a platform that we put people through to educate them on how to build their business credit. But a couple of tidbits that I'll give away in this video here is number one, you want to make sure that you're incorporated. You definitely need to incorporate your business and form some type of legal entity for your company. Once you form that legal entity, there are different agencies out there, but one in particular is the Dun & Bradstreet. If you register with Dun & Bradstreet, you are given some type of an identification number that will allow you to use and apply with small credit line facilities. Maybe you get a small gas card or a Home Depot or a Lowe's card. This is your first step into building business credit for your business. But again, before you can go and establish those small credit lines, you do want to make sure that you've formalized a legal entity for the business and you have registered and received a number with Dun & Bradstreet. If you have more information, or if you're looking for more information, or if you have more questions regarding the specifics on how to go about building your business credit, definitely either leave a comment below, click the link that we'll have available, in the comment section here. But most importantly, make sure you subscribe, okay? We're gonna be putting out a ton more videos about various topics covering business financing, borrowing, and just running a business in general. Appreciate you checking the video out today. Love to hear from you. Talk in the future. Thank you.